How to auto-check copyright sound on TikTok. So first of all, launch TikTok app on your mobile devices. Now, from your main homepage, go to Profile. Now from here, you can tap on this plus button in order to create a new video, or you can simply go to your draft section in order to upload a video on your account. So now, let's go to draft section. Now choose a video you wish to upload. Then simply tap on Next. Now over here you'll see more options. Tap on it. From here scroll down below and you can see Auto Check Sound Copyright. So if you turn on the toggle for this option, your video sounds will be automatically checked for copyright issues before posting, with results shown immediately. Then all you would have to do is tap on the option of Post. And after that, you will be able to automatically auto-check copyright sound on your TikTok video. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.